Good shooting. Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Logan coming at you from Hunting Pros, and welcome back to another waterfowl video. I'm super stoked to get out today. It's going to be quite messy though. It's supposed to start torrential raining at some point throughout the day, and we're getting up to 30 knots of wind, so it's going to be very, very windy out. So we're going to try to position ourselves in a blind where the wind will be on our back. I'm going out today with my buddy Scotty. I haven't hunted with Scotty now for probably 3 or 4 years. Super stoked for this one, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Well, rookie mistake. We both forgot our calls in the truck, and we're set up now, so there's no going back. So we're just gonna mouth call it, hopefully. Honestly, haven't seen a ton of birds yet, but it's a super high tide. And we're in the lee a bit here, so that's a good thing. But anyway, hopefully we get into some.
All right, go get them.
Go get I don't know how we're gonna get them.
We'll go get the boat, I guess.
Didn't even have time to turn on the camera for that.
That's gonna go right in the sedge, is it?
Yeah. See, if the sedge was showing, we'd be gold, but... Well, guys, we were here talking, and you can see our setup there right in front of the blind. Right over here, there was a duck sitting, and it jumped and started flying. I didn't have time to turn the camera on, but I got him on my first shot. He's drifted way out beyond the tollers now, so Scotty's gone to get his boat and pick up the duck. It's drifting pretty fast with the way the waves are. There's a harbor buoy way out there, and it's to the right of it. Well, he got it anyway. Kill him, bud. Good shooting.
That Kent does it, eh?
Oh yeah, Kent. They came in nice.
That was funny.
Scotty's going to get those buffle heads. With the way the current is, they're really they're moving quick. One went this way, I can see it over there. The other one's out by those harbor buoys way out there somewhere. So just picked up that bird, so you got both birds. That's good. That black duck I shot is a nice big one, eh?
Oh, it's beauty. Beauty.
Yeah, he's coming. You kill him, Scotty, if he comes in.
Are you ready to?
I'll back you up.
All right. Your side, your duck.
All right. Don't be swinging in.
Buddy, nice shot.
3 for 3. He even brought me a sandwich. That's thick, bud. You must have cut that, did you? Get ready, bud. It's duck time.
Come right up that channel.
Yep. He might fly. Yeah, he's coming this way. Land.
He's still out there, but he's swimming in.
You could probably smack him if you want.
Nice, coming closer. He's swimming up. He's coming already. See him?
Yep. He's killable there for sure.
Kill him, buddy. Give him to him.
I'd say the wind picked up though. She's blowing.
It's windy. We're lucky we're in the lead.
Yeah, oh yeah. No, like this. Not a lot of birds though, is there? Like the ones that came nice, but they're just, you're not seeing much. It's crazy. Yeah, it's blowing pretty good. 20 some knots. It said at some point today it's going up to 30. 21 knots. Oh, maybe it was going to 30 like near the head of the harbor. They put it out there.
That's further.
Yeah, 30.
That's like 35, 36.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
I don't know, buddy. What do you think?
Yeah.
Call this a successful hunt.
Yeah, we killed 5, so. Good old Kent.
They work good.
Oh yeah, they work.
It was beautiful watching them birds come in.
Oh, I love that. Even them boffleheads, they work nice. Those boffleheads, they came in textbook, man. Bowed up wings, come. Like I said, you're gonna see in the video, I had to wait till they were out of the line of the tollers, because I would have put a hole right through your tollers.
That was cool. And the way they crisscross coming in.
Yeah, yeah.
Made for nice shooting, like.
Oh yeah. Nice big black duck there. And the other one was this way somewhere. There it is. Yeah. There we go. I'll just start bringing them to the end. You can wind them if that works. Those are some big raindrops.